Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about shift register. Okay. Flip-flop is a memory element which stores a single bit, either 0 or 1. Okay. To store a single bit value, we will use flip-flop. Okay. To store number of bits, we need register. Okay. Register consists of number of flip-flops. For example, 2-bit register used to store 2 bits. 3-bit register stores 3 bits. Okay. To construct n-bit register, we need n number of flip-flops. So, if you want to construct 3-bit register, you need 3 flip-flops. Okay. So, to store a single bit, we use flip-flop. Okay. By using or by connecting number of flip-flops in serial, we can construct register. Okay. So, register is used to store a number of bits. Flip-flop is used to store a single bit. Register is used to store a number of bits. Okay. Memory is used to store a number of datas. Okay. So, flip-flop is used to store a single bit. Register is used to store a number of bits. Memory is used to store a number of datas. Okay. If register shift the data in right side or left side, then the register is called shift register. Okay. Based on that, we can classify the register into 2 types: left shift register and right shift register. Okay. There are 4 types of shift register: serial in, serial out shift register, serial in, parallel out shift register, parallel in, serial out shift register, and parallel in, parallel out shift register. Okay. Here D is the input, Q3, Q2, Q1 and Q0 are the outputs, parallel outputs. Q is the serial output. D3, D2, D1 and D0 are parallel inputs. Okay. In, serial out shift register, we are entering the data in serial, 1 bit at a time. Okay. For every clock pulse, we are entering the single bit. Okay. Serial out means getting the data in serial, 1 bit at a time. Okay. So, serial in means we are giving or entering the data in serial, 1 by 1, 1 bit at a time. Okay. Serial out means getting the data from the register 1 by 1, 1 bit at a time. For every clock pulse, we receive only 1 bit. Okay. Parallel in means we are applying the input in parallel. Okay. Parallel out means we are getting the output from the register in parallel. Okay. Here serial in, serial out. Okay. In, serial out, we are applying the data in serial, getting the output in serial. Next, serial in, parallel out. Here we are applying the data in serial, getting the output in parallel. Next, parallel in, serial out. Here we are applying the data in parallel, getting the data in serial. Here parallel in, parallel out. Applying the data in parallel and getting the output from the register also in parallel. Okay. This is the circuit for serial in, serial out shift register. Okay, 4-bit shift register I am taking. So 4 flip-flops we have. In, serial out shift register, we are entering the data in serial, getting the output also in serial. Okay, the output of first flip-flop is connected to the input of second flip-flop. The output of second flip-flop is connected to the input of third flip-flop. The output of third flip-flop is connected to the input of fourth flip-flop. Okay, we are applying the input in the input of first flip-flop, taking the output in the output of last flip-flop. Okay, clock is applied to common all the flip-flops. Okay, so this is serial in, serial out process. First I am applying the value 1. Okay, so we will get 1 at the output of first flip-flop. Okay, next I am entering the data 1. So now we have 1 1. Okay, in the output of first flip-flop we have 1. In the output of second flip-flop we have 1. Okay, next I am applying the value 0. Now I am getting 0 1 1. Okay, in the output of first flip-flop we have 0. In the output of second flip-flop we have 1. In the output of third flip-flop we have 1. Okay, in the fourth clock pulse we will get the first value. Okay, now I am giving or entering the value 1. So now I am getting 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is serial in, serial out. Okay, so on the fourth clock pulse I am getting the first bit. Okay, on the fifth clock pulse I am getting the second one. On the sixth clock pulse I am getting 0. On the seventh clock pulse I am getting 1. Okay, so this is the serial and serial out shift register is working. Okay, okay, thank you.